As you know, there are certain inherent risks involved when programming with multiple torches. One of those risks is just the fact that the plates are very big and heavy and very expensive. Another risk is that everything takes more time because of the first risk. It's vitally important then that when the programs go from the office to the shop, that they are usable first time out. Mistakes are costly, both in terms of material and in terms of time. The specific step we took in version 22 to help the production programmer is that we added a list of the torch spacings and torch counts right into the simulate window inside of SigmaNEST. So what the user will see here when they step through a program is every time the torch count changes or the torch spacing changes, we will show that in the window. If you watch the stepping through of the program right there, you can see that the torch count changes and the spacing. And then we go down to a single torch. And then we go back up to 4, now with a larger spacing. And now the spacing is going to go back down again for those smaller parts. And so on and so forth. So this is a small enough change, but it should really improve the safety and reliability of multi-torch programs.